In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hyperlinks to buttons in Weebly. This will only take about 5 minutes, and by the end you'll be able to create interactive buttons that can guide your visitors to specific pages or external sites effortlessly. So let's get started. First, you need to navigate to the Weebly website. Open your preferred browser and type in the official Weebly URL, which is www.weebly.com. Once the homepage loads, you'll see a login option. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up, but assuming you do, go ahead and click on the login button. You'll be prompted to enter your email and password associated with your Weebly account. Type those in carefully to ensure you can access your website. After inputting your credentials, go ahead and click on the login button. This will redirect you to your Weebly dashboard where all your sites are listed. Next, from the dashboard, find and click on the site you wish to edit. This will open up a new screen with an overview of your website. Here, you'll see options to manage and tweak various aspects of your website, but for now, we'll focus on editing. Click on the Edit Site button, prominently displayed on your screen. Once you're in the site editor, you'll be greeted with the layout of your current site. Here, look towards the top menu and click on the Build tab. This section allows you to customize your website with different elements, one of which is the button element. Now drag and drop the button element onto your page where you want the button to appear. When you place the button on the page, you can see a text box that allows you to customize the text within the button. Click on it to edit and customize your button text to something descriptive, like "Learn more" or "Contact us." Within the button settings, you'll notice an option for additional formatting called "Link." Click on this option. A panel will open, allowing you to choose what type of link you wish to add. You can either select a page within your site or paste an external URL, depending on where you want to direct your visitors. If you choose to link to an external page, simply copy the URL of the page you wish to link and paste it in the provided field. Additionally, you have the option to open this link in a new window. Consider using this setting if you're directing users away from your site to ensure they don't lose access to your page entirely. Once you're content with your setup, don't forget the final step. Click on the Publish button. This will make all your changes live, ensuring your website visitors can interact with your new hyperlink enabled button. And there you have it, you've successfully added a hyperlink to a button in Weebly, enhancing the interactivity of your site.